I am the Improv Cook. I'm always making something. Today I'm making salad dressing. I'm going to give you the inside look onto how I make a salad dressing that everyone asks, what's in that dressing? Giving you guidelines to make it to your taste buds. Before we do, go revive your lettuce and let's make this. Hi there. I am the Improv Cook and I am always making something. You can find us on Facebook at Improv Cook and on YouTube at AlwaysMakingSomething. Tonight I'm making a salad. I'm doing it my way without a recipe. That's what the Improv Cook does. I do have some guidelines for you tonight because I am putting together my own dressing with something that came to me as a vegetable dip where you add sour cream and mayo and stuff like that. And I don't really want to do that, but I am going to use those herbs and dehydrated vegetables as the base of my dressing. So I've got dried herbs, some pepper flakes, and some dried onion and shallots. I've used about 2 tablespoons of that. And I've added 2 tablespoons of hot water from the tap. Those have been rehydrating for about 5 minutes. And to that, I'm going to add some mayo, some olive oil, a vinegar of choice, and the juice of an orange. That's going to be the base of my dressing. And then it's going to be a lettuce. You've seen another video, or you could look for it. It's about how to crisp up or revive lettuce. So this is that wonderful lettuce that I have revived just by cutting off the base and soaking it in some very warm water. We're going to mix that leafy green with some organic spring mix, and then my accompaniments for the salad are going to be just some really thinly sliced celery for some crunch, some bell pepper left over from a happy hour, and 3 or 4 sun-dried tomatoes from the produce section. So I'm going to snip those. I'm going to press some garlic because I always have garlic with my garlic press. These are the tools you're going to need: garlic press, chef's knife, snips to make this recipe. I'm going to go ahead and start measuring my apple cider vinegar. This is a ½ tablespoon. I'm choosing apple cider. If you'd like white wine vinegar or balsamic wine, feel free to make it with whatever vinegar you like. I'm only using a half a tablespoon here because I don't like that much acid. You know, those really tart salads you get. And I'm taking my hand and I'm just squeezing this orange by hand. And I'm going to get about half of an orange squeezed in here. That's going to add some acid. So a good salad dressing has some acid and some oil. So the combination of apple cider vinegar with this orange is going to be the acid. If you love the taste of olive oil, by all means use it. It is a very heart-healthy oil. Some people object to having the olivey taste. I love it. If you want to have less olive taste in your dressing, then go with a canola or sunflower oil. Normally my salad dressings are just oil and vinegar, but to this one I'm going to get a little bit creamier base, so I've added a ½ tablespoon or so of olive oil mayo to my dish, to my bowl. Now you're going to add your garlic and whisk it with a fork. Now I'm ready for my garlic. I've got 1 clove in my garlic press. And I'm going to press that out, scrape it on the side. The blunt edge of a knife could work as well to scrape it off. I ended up putting 3 cloves in here, so now I'm ready to whisk it together. Use a fork or a whisk, and you'll need to emulsify this, and that takes usually about a minute of good, vigorous whisking. You can see the creaminess because of that 1/2 tablespoon of mayo, and that's going to help carry the flavor of the herbs. So at this point I've got my dressing going. So the dressing's mixed. Now I'm going to just get some crunch into the salad to go with those green leaves. Let's move my celery, bell pepper, and as you can see, we're going to just put that, follow over, into a salad bowl. So we've got those veggies. Now I'm going to do the sun-dried tomatoes really quickly. Since I already have my chef's knife out, I'm going to use this instead of the shears that I had planned. Cutting them into small bits just to spread that nice burst of flavor with those sun-dried tomatoes into the salad once it's tossed. And then what you see here is my salad spinner. So I have rinsed off of that lettuce. It's in the salad spinner. I'm going to spin it and add it to my mix. We've got the spun lettuce. We're going to toss that in. Opening up my spring mix. So there's that lettuce, and then we're going to get the spring mix in. So I've got a full salad bowl. It ended up being that improvising my salad dressing, I ended up with far more than I'm going to need for this one salad. I ended up over here with 1 cup of salad dressing. So in order not to overdress my salad, because, you know, who wants a soggy salad? I'm actually going to put this salad dressing in by the tablespoon. So for this full bowl, which would normally serve 4 people, but in my house it's 2 of us eat this whole salad in an evening, I'm going to put 4 tablespoons of salad dressing to start. I'm going to toss it. You get a little dash of color from those bell peppers, some crunch from that celery, got some nice color from those red lettuce leaves, and this is our fresh made tossed salad. Always making something, Improv Cook. We're calling this our herby greens. Now, go make it yourself, cookies.